This is David from swimmingpoollearning.com. In this video, I'm going to show you the new upgraded VacDaddy. I'm going to call it the VacDaddy 2.0 because there are so many great upgrades and new features for the VacDaddy. And the VacDaddy now has larger debris bags, and this makes the VacDaddy much more versatile, and you can use the VacDaddy now to clean up pools with a lot heavier debris. And there are 3 different bags to choose from, including a leaf bag and also a mesh filter bag. And I really like the felt filter bag. This is great for a pool with dirt as well as leaf debris, as this bag will filter down to 75 microns. There's also a new diffuser for the VacDaddy. The problem with the old diffuser is that you couldn't see the bottom of the pool very well when you're using the VacDaddy to vacuum. With the new diffuser, you can see the bottom of the pool without any problems. It also helps when you're vacuuming the step area of the pool, and this is a great upgrade for the VacDaddy. There's also a shallow water adapter now available, and this will allow you to use the VacDaddy to vacuum out spas, fountains, and other small bodies of water. The VacDaddy will work in as little as 8 inches of water now, and I think one of the things that makes the VacDaddy the most versatile portable vacuum is the vacuum to waste adapter. This will turn the VacDaddy into a portable waste pump, and it's a great way to clean up green pools or pools with a lot of dirt without having to drag a portable pump to the stop. And if you do a lot of cleanups in your area, or if you have a lot of dust storms, the vacuum to waste adapter is something that you're going to really find helpful out on your pool route. And one thing that VacDaddy recommends is replacing your swivel vacuum head handle with a straight handle. This makes controlling the VacDaddy much easier in the pool, and I found that the straight vacuum head handle makes maneuvering the VacDaddy much easier. And I think one of the biggest upgrades is this new power supply. This power supply will allow you to modulate the VacDaddy's power, so you can go from 60 gallons per minute, which is the full speed. Sometimes you don't need the full suction for the VacDaddy, and sometimes the full suction is too powerful. This will also allow you to vacuum the step areas much easier with lower power, and you can also vacuum spas out with the lower power setting to make it easier. So being able to control the gallons per minute of the VacDaddy from full power to low power is a great feature. It also features a more robust on-off switch. This will make the power supply much more durable and long-lasting. And if you have an older version of the VacDaddy and you're using the old power supply, you have to do a slight modification to the cord, and you'll have to add a new male end connector to it. It's a pretty easy process, and it should take you about 5 minutes to complete. And there's also a video on the VacDaddy site that shows you how to put the new male end connector onto your cord. They also have the VacCaddy carrying bag available, and if you are looking for a way to keep all of your accessories and to carry the VacDaddy back to all your stops, this is definitely a great way to transport the VacDaddy back to your stops. And all these upgrades make this the most versatile VacDaddy on the market today, or the VacDaddy 2.0 as I like calling it. The VacDaddy is a very easy to use product, and I really like the fact that it weighs about 10 pounds, so it's really portable. You have, of course, the power supply that you would plug in, so there's no need to recharge it or worry about any kind of batteries or problems with the batteries. It's also very powerful. If you're using the full power, you're going to get 55 to 60 gallons per minute, which is just as strong as a lot of portable pumps, and it has the same power as if you were going to use your pool hose and vacuum head connected at the skimmer. But there's no need for hoses, and it's really convenient how all the debris is trapped inside the VacDaddy. It doesn't go into the pool's filtration system, making the VacDaddy, of course, convenient and portable. And with all the different accessories, the shallow water adapter, and the vacuum to waste adapter, the VacDaddy definitely is an all-in-one and very versatile portable vacuum system. Pool Service Pro, open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.